How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I want to talk about very quickly the double VPN feature and if it's worth it. So, if you didn't know, the VPN, I have this little page here. How a VPN usually works is it goes from your computer. So, the connection, once you connect to a VPN, it takes the network from your connection, your IP address, processes it to the VPN server that you picked, creates a new IP address, and puts you back into the internet. So that whole tunnel kind of slows down your connection, as you might imagine. Obviously, I mean, if you're connecting to, let's say, you're connecting to from Greece, let's say, or Turkey, or Greece to Ireland. Obviously, that's going to slow down your connection than when you're connecting to a server in Greece itself, or maybe somewhere nearby in Italy, or anywhere else that's closer to Greece. Or let's say if I'm connecting from Italy to Switzerland, obviously I'm going to have a faster connection than connecting to the United States or Canada or anywhere else that's just much further. That only makes sense. What a double VPN does is that it creates a little here, you can tell here, let's pick a United States one. And as you can tell, okay, so this is United States and Canada. Actually, I'm going to put it to fastest. That way we can see all the combinations of countries. So what this will do, what a double VPN server will do, is that it will connect, let's say you're in Italy. It will connect you through France and then through United Kingdom and then to the internet. So that's creating two tunnels, and that goes to say that's the same for also, excuse me, that's the same for Surfshark. It's called multi-hop here, but it's essentially the same thing as double VPN. So here, as you can tell, it creates a tunnel through United Kingdom, France, United Kingdom, Germany, Singapore, Hong Kong, Singapore, India, United States, Netherlands. So yeah, it creates kind of this triangle between the country you're connecting from and two other countries before you reach the internet. So naturally, that will slow down your speed even more. However, it does increase security. Now, is it really worth it? I would say it's only worth it if you're living in a severely, heavily censored and restrictive country, very heavily kind of censorship over the internet. So like China, Turkey, UAE, these countries where maybe having the wrong opinion over the internet could get you prosecuted, or possibly maybe you have some games that you want to play and they're banned in your country for whatever reason. In this case, I mean, if you don't really want to pay as much for ExpressVPN, which doesn't have double VPN, and ExpressVPN doesn't really need something like double VPN because it's already as secure as it gets. I mean, if you're interested in kind of getting to know the ins and outs of each VPN, you'll find links to the individual reviews in the description below so they know exactly what you're getting yourself into. But in my opinion, is double VPN worth it? I could argue not quite. Now, it really depends on how concerned you are about security and if you care about the reduced speed, because if your speed, let's say, is reduced from 10 to 20% for a local server, it's going to be reduced to probably 50 to 60%, which is a severe cut in speed. So let's say you're connecting to further servers. If you're in Europe, let's say, and you're connecting through, let's say, the Canada and the States, or Australia and the States, one in the West and one in the East, that's going to severely hit your connection and it'll drop your speed by a lot. So I'm not sure how worth it is. To me, I would just rather get ExpressVPN because it's just, it's going to give me very consistent speeds without having to go through any of the double VPN stuff. So, and even with NordVPN and Surfshark, I could argue that you don't really need the double VPN feature in order to achieve very good security. These VPNs are already very secure VPNs, and they don't really need such kind of doubling the IP address or doubling the tunneling. So yeah, that would just be my 2 cents on the matter. If you're interested in any of these, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, as well as individual reviews in order to really get more of an in-depth look into these VPNs. That'll be it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.